If you want to remove a payment method from Threads, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is updated correctly. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Thread app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile icon. From there, look for the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon or labeled as Settings. Step 3. Access Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Payments or Payment Methods. This is where you can view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method. Locate the payment method you wish to remove. Tap on it to view more details and options related to that payment method. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Look for an option that says Remove or Delete. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the payment method is successfully removed from your account. After completing these steps, your payment method will be removed from Threads. If you have any issues, consider checking the help section of the app for further assistance.